Hey, we have the Kisan K5 and we're going to sort a stack of bills, 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, and then we're going to sort the 50s and 100s as well. I do have a stack of money here, has 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s, 50s, and 100s all mixed in. All right, so we're going to start with the standard sort screen. We set 1, 5, 10, 20. All right, and then the 50s and 100s would go out in the reject bin. So I'm doing 1, 5, 10, 20, and 50 and 100 would come out the bottom. All right. Okay, and I set this for a batch count of 100. As you know, if your machine hits your batch count, the machine will stop. If you do happen to have bills that were supposed to go in this pocket, but it can't put them there because it reached its batch quantity, it'll kick them out the bottom as an overbatch, which is what these two bills down here came out as an overbatch. I can just put this back on top, and then when I remove this, it'll keep counting. So my second batch of 101s came out, and my 5s, my 10s, and my 20s, just like I have a program for. But now I have these 50s and 100s in here. Let me mix these up a little better. So these 50s and 100s, I want to sort these. Now I have a small stack, of course. I could do this easily by hand. But if you have a big stack of 50s and 100s, you want to get those sorted, what you can do is on your screen, tap Denom. You got to clear your data first. Tap Denom. It'll go to the auto mode. What auto does, it scans whatever the very first bill is and starts putting that bill into the first pocket. Then when it hits a different type of bill, it'll start filling the next pocket and so on. All right, so let's see what that has. I have a $100 bill on the bottom. All right, so it scanned 100, started putting hundreds here. When it hit a 50, it started putting the 50s here. If there were 2s mixed in, it would put the 2s down. So that's basically gets your 50s and 100s sorted out pretty quickly, pretty easily. All right, and then when you're done with that, remove banknotes from pocket. It always double checks you. Okay, when you're done with it, you can just hit the denom key again to go back to the 1, 5, 10, 20 sort. Auto, your basic mix counting, just keep cycling through those three to get your bills counted and sorted the way you want them. All right, so I hope that helps. You can always give us a call if you have any questions, and thank you very much.